Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of clearing your shipping information in Telegram. Clearing this information helps protect your privacy and ensures that your sensitive shipping details are removed from the app. So, let's dive into the full guide on how to clear shipping info in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Step 3. In the side menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This will take you to the privacy and security settings. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the option Clear Payment and Shipping Info. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. On the next screen, make sure you only select Shipping Info and tap on Clear Info. This will remove any stored shipping details associated with your Telegram account. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear your shipping information in Telegram, ensuring your privacy and security. It's essential to periodically review and clear your stored shipping information, especially if you no longer need it or want to keep your data up to date. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more secure and privacy-conscious experience on Telegram.